Still looking kind of strong. Yeah, it broke above the 1420, which is first time it's taken a few days. That's a good spot there. It really had a great. We were talking about it last night. Me, Sharp, and him. The daily. Oh wait. Yeah. Sorry. The $13 range has been just holding absolutely phenomenally.
$1 million.
Just keep it on watch.
And $1 million. $1 million.
13
All right, we on. I threw the live stream link up top. If anybody in the audience wants to come watch the live positions. Oh, we're about to hit TP. 352.75. Come on, baby. That'll be 78 points. Come on. We're at 55 right now. Come on. Give it to your boy. We might get SMT divergence though right now. Fuck. But the draw's lower. Up. TP hit. TP hit. Bang, 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 bang. Out. Thank you. Come again. Thursday reversal day, eh? Thursday reversal. Oh. I don't know. We'll see how the day closes. Oh. Good morning. Ladies and gents, Jordy short. I was short, yeah. I just hit TP. Short 431.50. Had an SMT forming at the low, so I trimmed. Last runner all out. At TP. That was solid. We might get setups for more, though. I would like to get more. Paul, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I know. I'm sorry, dude. I don't know what to tell you, bro. The model. I don't know what to tell you guys. What happened? So, what happened today? Why is the market going down, Jordan? Oh my god. This is why. Based on weekly profile, this could potentially be a Thursday reversal. We don't know yet. Either way, buy side liquidity was sitting where? Buy side was previous day high. We mark previous day high as buy side liquidity. This morning, you see us rip over those highs on NQ, rip over the highs on ES. In pre-market, we came back down. We actually lost that level for a minute. Reclaimed, we made an SMT at these highs. So we made an SMT on NQ, took the highs, ES, lower high. That could have been an entry. That could have been an entry right there. I wasn't at my computer at that second, so I wasn't there to do it. But this right here, this is a beautiful entry right here. If you inverse is here, or you could do you could even do this inverse if you want. This would be even better. This would be even better because it's slightly bigger. There's your inverse. We run through that. We also get a change in the state of delivery there. Change in the state of delivery. You take a short. On the back test of that, risking highs. Targeting what? Targeting sell side. Boom! I got it a little later because I came in a little later. So my entry was quite a bit lower. Because I waited for other gaps to get filled. But beautiful. I would like to see some more though. And something else today. We just took sell side. But that's internal sell side. Real sell side is fucking... That's real sell side levels, so... We're running through this fair value as well on the hourly. We ran through and we're back testing that right now. A new 4-hour candle just opened though. So on the new 4-hour candle, we want to see manipulation or accumulation, manipulation, distribution, but it doesn't always happen because it's just an internal 4-hour candle. It's not entirely like what we normally look for. But within the beginning of this 4-hour candle opening up, you can generally see that. So if we go sideways here for a little bit, I won't be surprised. What are you thinking on SPY? I'm pretty bearish this morning. That's short term. I'm not talking about long-term investments or anything. When I say that, I'm day trading. I'm talking about specifically day trading. But as of now, pretty bearish. The structure's bearish. We did hit some bearish targets already, but I think we could definitely drop more. If we got a change in the state of delivery on the 5 to the upside, then I might be a little less bearish. But here's the thing. I'm going to be bearish until we get a change in the state back on the hourly. Why? Well, because look. Things are fractal, right? Well, we made an hourly fair value gap after manipulating previous day highs. Then we run through that fair value gap, making it an inverse. And we get a change in the state of delivery. Where? Where is the change in the state of delivery here on the hourly? Here. Why is that the change in the state of delivery? You have a series of up-close candles getting closed below the open of that. You also have a market structure shift here. What's that? Same thing as a change in state of delivery, but the wick instead of the open of the candle. Market structure shift as well. I mean, we're looking good. Now it's like, okay, we just ran through this hourly fair value gap. We're trying to turn this into an inverse now. So what do I want to see here? Ideally, the same thing we saw here. Run through. This candle bounces. The next hourly candle manipulates this candle's high, potentially go lower. Or we get a new candle open and it manipulates the low and we might go higher. But the higher time frame draw is definitely lower. So I would expect market makers to push price down here rather than up after taking... after manipulating previous day highs already as well. The draw is here for me. So I don't really have... I mean, there's draws of liquidity to the upside, but this is going to be the main target. Is that a 15-minute SMT I smell? Where? I do not see a 15-minute SMT. Maybe though, somewhere, and I don't see it. This is the start of the 4-hour candle. Jordy, any trades so far? Yeah. Shorted. I took shorts. I was a little late. I would have liked to get them earlier. I just wasn't at the screen or fucking awake yet. But grabbed them after we ran through higher time frame for value gap and the lower time frame ones. risking highs there, targeting sell side. We hit targets. I just got full TP at 352. Now I'm looking for more potential entries because we still have potential to go lower. There's your potential SMT.
Candles on SPY. Not at the time. That horror flow reflames money.
Paper, good morning. Netflix banger, huh? Banger, dude.
Bang bang.
I fucking didn't trade it. I'm kind of pissed about it. Cause I was looking at it Tuesday when we made the low. I was scoping her hard. Kind of forgot about it, to be honest, and then I saw you guys were banging it. I'm like, oh shit. I'm like, fuck. Bang bang. I was short for a little bit. Not anymore. I might get short again though.
Dixie doing a nosedive here.
Oh, is she?
Mom's gonna count that right now. That is probably high over here. Da-da-da.
Hims looks good for swing long. I have a hard time being bullish on Hims. It could be spicy. Needs to break with momentum, or else it's gonna do, or else I think it's something like this.
Yeah, 50-day simple.
But
That's just reported 70 calls. Well, on that bet we have, I made sure to get 40 and not 45. What? Here. What?
happy.
NVIDIA gap at 136 command counts. Did I want to keep watching that? T23. That's a key level right at the 20. Going too high.
Shift.
Featuring my yawn. That's the new low.
Drill it all. Coming into big target on NQ. Or actually, no. Sorry, we already hit that. We need to go. No, the big target's way lower. Never mind. That was the target I just hit. I'm talking 959. Nah. That would be a little bit of a rug. Wait, let's run a standard deviation on this manipulation leg. I didn't do that yet. I want to run standard deviation here. Here we go. Oh my god, fucking... Wow. Standard deviation, you are beautiful. Look at that. Target! Oh. Love me some standard deviation, man. It's beautiful. Oh boy, we might get working towards these levels now, guys. No, Jordy, you're beautiful. Oh my god.
Downside is red, upside is green. Trigger downside. You're not over the spring market, and but you're still over the 20 day, just barely. That's where we bought it early.
So far, this is the 4-hour high. I'd like to see that get manipulated. But doesn't need to. We have SMT at the highs. We have everything we need, so. Guys, what are we doing? Look at the price action. What are we doing here? Yes, sir, Braden. Don't get fucked in the accumulation. Don't get caught in it.
If SPY does not break down on this higher level to 20 day, I mean, I think it would go sideways for a bit, but it could get real spike.
You have no change. If you're blindly long in this market right now, be careful. You don't even have a change in the state of delivery on the fucking 1 minute yet. So be very careful. And hourly is holding bearish on the change in the state. The structure is bearish. The change in the state was there. I need to change that to hourly. Hold on. Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much. There's only for us to wash it through. Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much. This is more than just a new loss for you. to... 1 second, guys. I need to send this to Mead. Because I'm supposed to have Earnings Hub Pro. But it's not... Like, I don't have it at the moment. Which is interesting. So we're going to try and figure this out. Just a new loss for you.
Someone go tell Noel to get it backwards. Money got my whole family going backwards. No dinners, no holidays, no nothing. This issues at hand and we're not discussing. I did not sign up for this. My uncle used to have all these things on his bucket list.
What's the account name? Shit. Support at earningshub.com. Bro. All right, should be good there. Beautiful. Bring chat back up. I'm not gonna lie, I love having my other computer here for like screenshots of stuff and all that, to like post on Twitter or whatever, and then using the normal desktop as well. It's nice. New loss for you. Might join you there on hymns. Let's take a look at hymns. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I wanna dip into some stuff. I don't really like hymns though, personally, at the moment. Netflix was a banger, dude. Wow. Beautiful. Such good moves. Accumulation. How does the market move? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So don't get caught in the accumulation. It ain't worth it. Damn, people be giving their whole damn stock thesis on this. Jeez. What do you like then, Jordy? Not really much. Tesla's forming an inside day. And Tesla loves its Fridays. I'm like almost positive I'm gonna trade Tesla tomorrow. Because if we form an inside day tomorrow, it's pretty simple. It's high. It's low. We break to the lows. I mean, if we break under the lows, it's a break, it's a retest down to this low, and then potentially fucking that low. So that's what I'd be looking for there. And then same thing to the upside. Break over this, back test, hit that high. That will be first target. Next targets are going to be that low into that high. So... Oh, bye-bye. Jeez. You get an SMT there? Nah. Nah. You did, however, have one here. Barely. It's very tiny. Very tiny. You're really not forming any gaps here, though, so... Unless you're already short, I wouldn't do it here, to be honest. Unless you've already been short from, like, where I was, you know? I don't think it's worth it to try it here until you get a real manipulation, even with the SMT put in place. But the SMT did get put in during the accumulation, so that might be the manipulation needed to get out of this accumulation. To be honest, your risk to reward is just kind of fucked if you're trying to short here. Got $1 million. Chop, chop, chop. This is just accumulation this morning. Oh, is Tom Crown up here? Tom Crown, good morning. What's up, baby?
Let me take my Pop-Tarts. Son of a biscuit. I'm over here charting freaking Boeing.
Cute.
Fuck. Oh, it's right there. If I can get 6950. My computer kind of glitchy. Holy shit, mine. Here she goes. With strength, baby. We have liftoff.
Bro, shout out Aaron. He just texted me. He said, "Hey Jordy, I'm heading to Prague in Switzerland today for 10 days, so I'll be out of the stream. I'll be back better, stronger than ever once I'm back. Hope you crush it while I'm gone." Let's go, dude. He's just going to Prague in Switzerland. It's fire. Awesome. So sick. This accumulation looks like a reversal to me. I just don't see it. We just ran through hourly fair value gaps, making them inverses. Nothing about the order flow is bullish. We have no change in the state, the upside being bullish, even on the tiny 1 minute time frame. Nothing about this price action whatsoever to me is bullish quite yet. Doesn't mean it can't get there, but you need at least a change in the state. You need something. You have no change in state. You have no break of structure. You have no bullish order flow really going off. The only, I guess, this is your, this is like your bullish order flow at the moment. This tiny little fucking gap that's holding us. That's your bullish order flow. So, I don't know. I don't see it quite yet. Doesn't mean it can't happen. I just don't think, at least now's the time. Not yet. But we'll see. We will see. We will see. Signing on an ATL. ATL. Give me Brent. Give me Brent, dude. Give me Brent. Mm-hmm.
Oh shit. Yeah, field's coming down.
This changing. Jordy, you said we need to manipulate the 4-hour candle before we make a new low, right? I mean, we don't absolutely have to. No, so I was just saying, since that is where the SMT has been, that might be the manipulation we needed to go lower, because it happened during the accumulation. At the same time, I would like to see us bust over that 4-hour high that we just made on this 4-hour candle that we're in and manipulate. But ideally, like what you're saying, CR, is we go manipulate these 4-hour highs and put in a real higher time frame SMT. That would be ideal. But I doubt that happens, to be honest. Because that would be... It would depend on what would happen up here, to be honest, for me. But But no, we don't have to see that to go lower. We don't have to see that at all. We've seen what we needed to go low. We've seen what we needed to. It's all here. It's all here. Hourly manipulated previous day highs, inverse fair value gap, change in the state of delivery, market structure shift, SMT. You have it all. We're at first target, sell side liquidity. Next targets are going to be these two sell side levels, this sell side level, and final target is going to be this. Unless you get a change in the state of delivery on the hourly, that plan is still going to be in play. What's a change in the state on the hourly as of now? As of now, it's going to be up here. But if we get this candle, to close red, the change in the state is now going to be there. Which will make more sense, because that's the change in the state to the downside. Right? So, change in the state back to the upside is going to be where we made the change in the state to the downside.
Really? Damn, she's in puts, but not Apple. I don't know. I think the Apple's 231.77 fair value for Monday. No, I was hoping you caught it off the break. Oh yeah. Let's do this. I gotta try this. Oh, watch this. Dolphin says it filled the gap. It did. That's what
I think we still go lower. I think if we do get a pop, it's just to screw with these 4-hour highs we just made on this new 4-hour candle. That's on the futures, though. I don't think there's a new 4-hour candle on any of the stocks. It's just futures.
No, look at my time, Michael. Okay.
What do you got?
On SPY.
Yeah, here. I'll bring up SPY.
So yes, it would just be like another lower high. So it is possible, legit, like.
Yeah. Yeah. No, I'm with you. And I mean, just again, look at Nvidia, look at Apple, look at Apple. Fuck. Fuck.
Apple, I'm just like, I'm in shock.
Look at Apple, dude. Woo! That's bad. That's a bad day. Straight down like that is that's gnarly. Back down. This was my full TP. I think my next spot is gonna be 261.50, and then 247, and then 186.
Free market lows 15.9. What is that? 15.9. 592.60.
Too many hoes. That shit definitely go. Everybody talking
You
about.
have your first Delta buy at this level, 16 million shares down there on Apple. Yeah, that's the fair value. Legit, like right there. Alright, maybe I skip this.
Gave it all for fantasy. Is anybody gonna remember me? If I go tonight, I doubt the world will change. I just pray they don't forget my name. These are gambles of gambles. When it's all said and done, will I still be cool?
Spent like 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. How much am I spending profiling? Compliment my closet. The flow that she don't give a fuck about it. Wish I stopped smiling. My family wish I stopped wilding. I wanna really know me. Fucking superstars when I was 19. Shit we did, you won't believe me. For whatever reason, network speeds are holding up really well at the moment, but it's not 8 o'clock yet, so we'll see. We'll see. Oh. As of now, this pop that I'm seeing, I do think it's going to be manipulation for this accumulation leg that we're in. So this pop, I do think this is going to be a little bit of manipulation here, but we'll see. Look back, look back.
Same city, same hoes, can't move south. Not this hour, it's 4 a.m. with you that way. Yeah, you left your crew that way. Shawty, what you wanna do? This my hood, you already know, can't move sour. He tried to rob me, he just started. But he shouldn't even started. Not a boy a target. Make sure to leave it in developing level, kind of your point of control for the range from the left to right you're looking at. One of my crips like 3.5. Sometimes when I'm on that side, weather like -50 on my pinky. It's cold, it's like -80 on my lady. Some fro, that's minus shit when you a major. You know, I design the shit, I make the labels. Knew I want my body, and then my title start the party. With you, she being guarded. With me, she getting naughty. Ride it like a Harley. See them eyes getting starry. Looking like you want it. Flick it like longer. Same city, same hoes, can't move south. Not this hour, it's 4 a.m. with you that way. Yeah, you left your crew that way. Shawty, what you wanna do? This my hood, you already know, can't move sour.
Little internal SMT there. I really don't know, but I think very soon. I'm already like mainly I've been talking in there for the majority. That's where I'm gonna be now for the majority of the time, guys. In terms of like where I'm at in a Discord, I'm gonna be most active in paper gains for sure. So. Internal SMT. Oh wait, no, not there. Where'd I have it? Here. And then we're running through that as well. About a back test.
That's it right there. Enough of this in the middle. 235 to 75. It's like this tight of a stop that you'll forget. With the net buys too, in that indicator, that's kind of cool. I like it. I think we've seen this too on days where Buffett has confirmed selling.
I think so. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out, CR. I don't know exactly, to be honest, but I think so.
He typically sells before 11. Just start dumping the shares, kind of systematically, one after another. That's not very systematically. I mean, it's systematic.
Lady,
Yeah.
what'd you do?
Like, as long as the
Leave my hand on you.
if they set it, just learn how to set a limit. Trim. The behavior at that scale is a lot different than we trade.
What are you waiting for?
Uncompounding dividends. Not to throw shade on, but he's great. Or global. Speed That comeback's looking nice. Coming up on North High here.
Watch your Amazon here.
What are you waiting for? You got me lost in the clutch of you. And what's worse to know, I got a girl at home, and my baby loves me more. What are you waiting for? 'Cause maybe her loving me this much won't do. And what's worse to know, I got a girl at home, and I don't wanna hurt her soul. What are you waiting for? You got me lost in the clutch of you. And what's worse to know, I got a girl at home, and my baby loves me more. What are you waiting for? 'Cause maybe her loving me this much won't do. And what's worse to know, I got a girl at home, and I don't wanna hurt her soul. So much is in the way, babe. Ain't no one above the two of us. And I know you put that on for me. I know you put that on
This
for
could
me.
get ugly.
In a way, I can't stay away. And I know you put that on for me. I know you put that on for me. And you gon' take it all for me, all for me. Tell me you gon' make the thing pop for me. And the pennies on the drop for me. See, in a way, I can't stay away. And I know you put that on for me. I know you
they're
put
gonna
that
get
on
me.
for me.
They're gonna get me.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Paper.
I can't think straight, but
I did. I went in for the knife catch.
He went in for the knife catch, and they're gonna get him.
Should I join with his G23? Don't matter, cause we disagree. Don't mean you up and leave. I bust her down, she rockin' chrome, cause she got on her knees. I told him I just want him gone before my leave. For me, for me, for me, for me, for me, for me, for me. Need your love, come stay with me tonight. I can't go without my dress, cause I am not alright. I'ma let you take the wheel tonight. We know what we're doing wrong, but girl, it feels so right. It feels so right. It feels so right. She say I'm in too deep. Touch your soul right. Told her mama stop, but they ain't see it. How they don't believe it? Who on what was zombie? Too strategic. I can't be defeated.
Sorry, guys, I'm just typing this up, but I still want to see chat.
I put too much work inside my family.
Tommy, good morning. What's up, baby?
I'm in the game. I should like Jordan with his G23.
I see a small liquidity grab inverse for right gap SMT here.
Bust it down, she rockin' chrome, cause she got on.
I see it at the highs, yes, for the bearish model. Yes, I see that. Yes, absolutely. Yes. You just got that. SMT, inverse for value. You just back tested into it.
Take it in you slightly. We're gonna lock in a little bit higher than us, but
Absolutely. And if you've missed the morning moves, that is a potential entry, risking these range highs.
I'm out. I exited stage left. I had 235s at like $80, and I closed at 70. No. I'm cool. Maybe they win, maybe they don't. I don't know, but I didn't realize there was actual news, so now that I do, I'm cool.
And I know you put that on for me. I know you
It's a
put
good
that on
reminder to
for
always
me.
search the hashtag
In a way,
on Twitter before
I can't
taking a
stay
tweet.
away. And I know you put that on for me.
Dude, the 5
Oh, for me. For me. There you go. Here they go. You know what I love about accumulation? Is that it brings a big old move and everybody gets hyped and then they get rugged.
The bull trap has been set.
It's been set. And you're all gonna get caught.
starting to print an SFP pattern on Apple 3-minute.
I don't know what that is.
Swing failure. It's kind of like.
Oh, that's already happened. For sure. On the 50-day rejection. Out of the gate. It's funny how those technicals line up. These were like, I kind of want a Tennessee 210 put, but like it's slow moving, and it's like the inverse market, and it's only a couple bucks away. We got barcoding here on the 20 though. I don't know that I want to play too much.
I'm not confused. I'm not sure. That's not... Damn. Look at what they're doing. Jeez.
The barcode, dude.
It's a barcode.
It's a cool barcode. The battle
Trust in me.
So, it's weird about this. Like, I can look at it again. It's like, they couldn't watch it like 50. So, I think for sure that actually have to go a little bit higher.
Yeah, they might have to take it to range highs again. If they didn't do it there, because they could have just rugged it so easy there.
They should have been
Yeah.
able to. So like this is like okay the characteristic right now of the price action is like yeah y'all had the shot right there, that was it.
Well, let's
It's
see.
still here. It's sitting, but for whatever reason they're not able to make it happen. Yet.
Ain't no us no more. Yeah, we also need like just a 5-minute break of structure, or like changing the state, something.
Yeah.
Because every 2 candles we get, it's 2 candles up, 2 candles down, 2 candles up, 2 candles down.
Advice. I took your 235s for 64 cents.
Oh, let's go. Let's fucking go.
I'm grabbing the knife, blood in my hands.
Working 9 to 5 lately, yeah. Baby gets on my fucking nerves about the same shit. Speak the same language. We don't speak the same
64.
language.
Did you just snipe that?
Speak the same language.
If you're following with that indicator I posted,
That is good for hymns. For all you guys that are long hymns right now, you are holding the 50% retracement equilibrium of the range. So that is good. It's exactly what you want.
Dude, do you guys ever post about creator indicators?
not particular, just because you don't want to play favorites. Like if we post about one person,
How am I not the favorite? I don't understand.
NFP, NFP, NFP. Paper wants the top slot. Well, you got Casey's algo. And Casey's fucks, for sure. Yours isn't really an algo, though. It's more just like... it's your NFPs.
20 right now when we got a bunch of words. That you are special. I always like your post.
Stopped out. Huh. In my opinion, personally, if you were taking the trade based off of this SMT inverse, in my opinion, I don't know, obviously your dollar amount, how much you're risking is all relative to your trading. In my opinion, your stops are too tight. If your entry is a run through a back test of this fair value, so let's just call it there. Dude, your stop has to be the highs. I mean, has to. And if you can, you even bump it up to the actual SMT high. I don't know about you. That's a great risk to reward. So, yeah. I mean, just my thoughts. And if you're sitting there saying, Jordan, 50 points, I can't risk that. Yes, you can. You just can't risk it with the normal amount of contracts that you want to trade. You're able to risk as many points as you want. It's all tied to the dollars, right? How many contracts are you risking? If I'm normally taking 5 contracts and risking 30 points, if I want to risk 50, 60 points, do you think I can take 5 contracts still? Nope. I have to scale down or else my risk to reward is not what it usually is, right? My risk to reward might be, I need to make my risk to reward the same dollar value. That's what I'm getting at. Your risk to reward can change in points. It's going to be different on every trade in terms of points for the most part. It depends, though, on your style. If you have a style where you say, I get stopped out at 20 points every time, then that doesn't apply to you. But for me, I could get, my stop might be 30 points, my stop might be 20 points, my stop might be 50 on certain trades. It just depends on where the market's trading. Based on that, I have to size accordingly. I can't just size 5, 10 contracts in every fucking position. You know what I mean? Got to size accordingly based on how many points I'm risking. If I wanted to go long, I need to see a lot, man. I need to see an SMT, high time frame SMT. I need to see a change in the state of delivery at least on the 5 minute, not the 1 minute, because we've seen change in the state of delivery on the 1 minute over and over. We're accumulating, so we're going to keep doing that. On the 5 minute, though, we haven't seen a change in the state, so that's what I'd be looking for first. And then a fair value gap to be made and play it as an inverse. Which we don't even have any real gaps made right now to the upside, or bearish gaps, except for this is your only 5 minute bearish gap. We would need to see a change in the state of delivery, which is a change in the state on the 5 minute to the upside would be here. We would need to see a change in the state, blow through that fair value, back test, create an inverse, and go. If I, like, other than that, I don't personally see the long at all. Order flow still holding bearish. We are trying to hold in this for value gap, but we did the same thing here. I expect we see something similar. We got a new hour opening up here. New hour. I wouldn't be surprised if this new hour we go push these hourly highs from this hourly candle, push the hourly highs, manipulate, do the same thing we saw here, lower. I would not be surprised at all. So that's what I'd be looking for going into this new hour. You got a few minutes. Ugh. We got a new hourly candle forming. We did this earlier on the short that I caught. We kind of had this, we were trading in an hourly fair value, and we're doing that right now, holding. But the next hour that opens up, we could very well just kind of manipulate these hourly highs that we're at right now and then go lower. So I'm kind of watching for a similar thing to happen from this morning. Amazonian. She holding strong. It's very sideways right now, though. Dude, Apple is cooked. Ever since I was a kid, I've been legit. Maybe it. I'll tell it on her body. I'm timeless. Setting on fire when I'm coming home. Oh. scene. Air quiet. His heart PTSD. The song hits hard at the gym. It does. It does. Hey. Ever since I was a kid, I've been cheap. New hourly candle. Tapping into the highs. Don't need this tomorrow. Call to me to call tomorrow. Tell me what you want. Say you had enough. It's my time and enough. Cause it's never enough for you. Baby, what you call this? This shit don't involve money, I'm off it. I could be a role model. Jimi Hendrix. Before we end it. You did get a change in state on the 5 here. I'll be a role model. Don't need that tomorrow. Call to me to call tomorrow. Tell me what you want. It's never enough for you. It's too cold. Attitude of the we got. Just lay low. Full speed when I say go. Don't push me when I say no. Damn, I need fucking water. I'll be a role model. Don't need that some more. Did Mama Ace get an eval? Oh no, not yet. She's a while away from that. She's a while away from that. Like probably 2 months at least. Not yet. It's all strictly learning at the moment, but we'll get there. We'll get there. I could be a role model. Pop a pill with me before we end it. I want to see if we get a 30-minute change in state. Where's that going to be? Here. Why is the change in the state the body of the candle and not the wick? Because the definition of a change in the state of delivery is a close over a series of down close or up close candles, but the body of it. The body high. A market structure shift is the same thing, but the wick. Market structure shift has more weight. It's higher probability. Why? Because you're closing over a swing low instead of just a body. But I like to use change in the state delivery personally because, I mean, you can use both, but I like to use change in the state because it gets me in earlier. And I usually have enough confirmation with all the other things that I'm looking at that I'm not worried about needing to see a market structure shift. I'm good with the change in the state. Our market structure is bullish. It depends on what time frame you're looking at. It's not just bullish on every time frame. Market structure, as of now, bullish on the 1 and 5. It is not bullish on the 15-minute, however. It is not bullish on the 30-minute, however. Or the hourly. Technically, we got a change in the state on the 4-hour, but we did not get a market structure shift. Why? A change in the state is here on the 4 hour. We got that. We closed below that level, but we did not get a close below the wick. Very important. So no market structure shift on the 4 hour quite yet. Won't say fuck it. Now look what I'm stuck with. Okay, if I'm in the wrong. Okay, if you in the wrong. I don't get a say. I'd be like fuck it at the same time. I don't just. Mr. Y. Dude, the only thing I think I've ever seen you type is that emoji. Yeah, 6,000 psych level as well still. Mr. Y, that's your emoji now. That's yours. That's his way of communicating is only through emojis. I love it. Love it. I want you to see what you say. Well, slapped out of that. Morning, pro. I'm just gonna get a hieroglyphics keyboard, and we're just gonna be in that language now. Rippy, rippy. Wonder if we take these equal highs. Because we do have equal highs from earlier this morning on ES that we haven't taken yet. And we know equal highs love to be broken. Equal highs, equal lows. Have we entered anything, chat? I mean, I had the trade from this morning. Other than that, I haven't traded anything now. Fucker. Only lets me be on one. God, there's something in my eye. God, no. Ah. You have an SMT trying to be put in.
Oh, PK.
Yes, it does. Hakuna Matata. Buzz down, oh mouse. Good morning, Brent. What's up, baby? How we doing? Guys, I've got to pee, but if you get a change in the state delivery and a run through this inverse, potential entries, I'll be back.
Cola.
Treasury Secretary nominee. Thank you for shouting out.
Either you're bluffing or you just don't care. You could be bluffing or I could be bluffing.
Just waiting for value. More really.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, changing the state of delivery moved. If we back test, I'll take an entry into that. Just risking highs though.
But yeah, this is like for the year. If Boeing is trading over this area, biggest reversal. Like, mind you, 180 is
Tap me in. Oh, you bitch. Don't you dare. Oh my god. You're joking me. I didn't get tapped. Come on, tap me in. Fucking a tick. Tap me in. Yeah, we'll get tapped. We'll get tapped. Where's chat? There we are. Dude, tap me in. I'm not moving my order now, so. Dude, these fuckers, dude, they're not going to tap me in. That's insane. Oh, that rarely happens. But they're not going to tap me in, are they? Well, they... Unless they just take it, we still could get a bounce into my entry, which is what I'd like to see. But damn, wish I got tapped in right there. Fuck. This is the new 4-hour candle. We just made the high of it, I guarantee you. Fuck. Okay. Wow. Damn. One tick, bruh. That's... Dude, what did I do to deserve this, bro? What did I do? What... Bruh. Bruh. What did I do to deserve this, bruh? Bruh. Bruh. Somebody clip this shit. Are you kidding? 2 ticks. Wait. 2 ticks, bruh. Damn. This is changing the state on the 5. That we're back testing. I'd like this back test to bounce me into my spot. I'm leaving that order because I want this, but... Especially when first trim is going to be like 100 points. Fuck. Damn, the risk on this trade is so good, too. 26 points. And, like, I'd definitely end up trimming around this low. So that would be, like, nothing less but 78 points on first trim. Let's see if we get tapped. I might get tapped back in. I don't know what's playing right now, but I'm definitely grooving. Oh, it's Daniel Caesar. That's why I'm grooving. Of course. This is fire. They might just tap into this now. Damn, talk about unlucky, dude. That is the worst when that happens. It's pretty rare that you don't get tapped in. That's why depending on the situation, I'll sometimes take an entry when the candle closes through the fair value gap that I'm looking to take on. I didn't think that this was one of those opportunities. It definitely was, though, looking at it now. That's super unfortunate. But, that's trading for you. Haha, dude. So far, that's 56 points from entry. Fuck. Dude, fuck you. Fuck you, MNQ. God damn it. I'd be a lot more mad about that if I didn't make money today. I'd be a lot more mad about that, but whatever. Brent chased it. Ah! That's funny. I could still get tapped in. It's possible. We'll see. But we got a change in the state. Change in the state was there. Continued change in the state here. What do I mean by that? I just mean, like, we got a change in the state and they could have traded us to these levels and bounced it, but no, they continued the change in the state of delivery to the downside. If that makes sense. They continued the structure. So, it's healthy to see. Oh, gotcha. I damn sure should have held my short, not going to chase it now. Nah, don't chase it now. Dude, we fucking... Come on, guys. How fucking beautiful. Huh? What did I say? I want to see a similar thing as what we saw earlier. We're starting to see that. We did manipulate previous hourly highs. So that's good. Changing the state on the 1 minute would be here. But Jordan, why is it not here? Because we need a series of down close candles. Is this a series? No, this is one. Series of down close candles is here. Changing the state of delivery to the upside will be there. They'll probably trade it towards that right now. I'd be looking for them to trade it towards here. Fall in love with no issues. Oh, banger. Banger, dude. Is bro going to get tapped in? Fuck, dude. Doubt it. But... And if I see something, like if I see an SMT form at these lows, I'm canceling the order. Because why would I take a bearish entry if there's a short term, even if it's a short term like low time frame SMT against me, I'm not going to take a position. Makes no sense. So I'm watching for that to happen actively as well. If I see an SMT that forms against me right now, I'm canceling the order. Nidus, now you're lost. Lost in the feeling. Girl, you know you're lost. Lost in the feeling. Miami, Amsterdam, Tokyo, Spain. Los Angeles, India. Bruh. Oh, anybody that was just watching the stream? Fuck, dude. No, bro. I had a short order, and I was waiting to get tapped in. 2 ticks away. Didn't get tapped in. That trade is up like 50 points right now. Ah! I'm really targeting, though, the bottom of the range. For me, on the shorts. We do have like a fair value here that you could be trimming into, I guess, so, but... Dude, I just got so wrecked on that for no reason. That's so dumb. Ah. No, it is in the back of my mind, Reflections, because the amount of times I've seen us like do that and then we go up and actually backtest it, like it could happen right now so quick. But I'm watching closely. If I see an SMT, dude, I don't like it. I don't want to fuck around with an SMT right now.
Did you sit that already, Casey?
Just did it.
Motherfucker.
86.
Yeah.
I still could get tapped. Let's see.
Come on.
Ding, 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 ding. Those are
Oh, yeah, absolutely, Brent. I ain't worried about it at all. I already made money today. It just sucks, fucking 2 ticks, you know? But that's trading for you right there, man. Not a big deal. We move on. I'm leaving that order there until I see something that tells me I want to cancel it, which I have not seen yet. Structure's holding bearish.
Mike, you can't see my swing trades, but fuck, dude, I had February 20th or whatever.
If we... Okay, here's where I have to cancel the order, though, guys. I have to. It doesn't matter. If we get a change in the state to the upside here, I have to cancel the order. The change in the state has changed to now it's here. We have a series of down close candles. If we get a 1-minute close over this, I have to cancel the order and wait for the change in the state back to the downside.
Well, this is my first and only. Beat it, baby.
Unfortunately. So this one had an inverse for value gap, SMT, and change in the state. Yes, everything. Everything you need. I literally just didn't get tapped in. Fucked. Absolutely fucked. It's okay, though. Not a big deal at all. Happens all the time, man. That's trading. Move on. Because I might get tapped in right now. Let's see. No, he's made equal high there. That's potential manipulation if ES holds a lower high here. I'd like to see us tap in up here, though, at least.
Yeah, hold on, right in the triple.
It's spicy.
Spy is actually just over. It's the same trend line type of setup on Spy and Biddy. Both are sitting on it. Spy is like just peeking its head over right now. Amazon, that's chopping.
Watch those U-2250 calls.
ORCL, Oracle, and MIs.
Sticker AI holding up well. This is nice video. Yeah, I was just about to say that. Nice video. We're gonna have to call it.
Interesting.
The N stands for knife.
The N stands for knife in Japanese. Knife.
Ooh, we have a bit of an SMT low there now.
Oh, look at that point finish. Today could be a really
Ah,
nice action.
it's tiny and it's not clean at all. So I really am not gonna worry about that too much.
Keep busy in the back end of the day. It's your PT credit spreads.
Oh, you know, I mean, this is, look at this fucking setup, man. This is the day you want to be here.
Cannot, unfortunately.
Fair enough.
I'm going out to have fun without my kids. So.
Oh, Casey gets a day without the kiddos. He's stoked.
Birthday, let's go.
Oh fuck.
It's going into target, like right about now. First target, at least.
Alright, hymns, balls are greedy for the swing.
Oracle. I'm gonna take an extreme high risk play with 167 calls for this week for 5 cents.
Someone in my server at the same time said that. We were talking Oracle before he came on. Yeah. Let's go. Full gap fills 163.14 on Oracle.
LRCX is pushing for that high today.
Coinbase. Where are we at? Coinbase new high. Let's go.
Boom boom. Where was your change in state delivery, Jordy? We just got it to the upside, actually. I'm gonna cancel this for now. So change in state to the upside was here. We just closed above that. This is on the 1 minute though. On the 5, we're still holding a change in the state. We're holding the change in the state to the upside right now. So that's something to be aware of as well on the 5 minute. We have not closed below that quite yet. So why is the change in the state on the 5 minute here and not up here? Because the structure on the 5 minute is already bullish. If it was bearish, it would be up here. But the structure's already bullish, right? Because we've closed above the change in the state on the 5 where it originally got a change in the state and is holding, right? So that's why. That's the way that is.
To be on Y shares with me on Tuesday, you are up just over 8%.
Chop, 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 chop.
$1 per share, $12.25 to $13.25.
Damn, man. There she goes.
Dixie pushing lower again.
Damn.
Dixie,
Shit. I want to move.
what are you doing, Q's? It's 2:30.
Hughes is doing what she needs to do Without me, though, I didn't get tapped, man. Fuck.
Sharky.
2 ticks. Trade's up 61 points right now. Fucker. Beautiful. Beautiful. Watch this 4-hour candle flip red. It's fucking beautiful. God, beautiful. Ah.
Look at her go.
First target would be what my last target was this morning. 350, 250. But you could obviously, or no, it would be this low that we're coming into right here. 69.75. Oh, you did not get tapped there if that was your order. What is the actual level? 69.50. Let's see if that hits. Four-hour candle trying to flip red. Damn, what a textbook play. Fuck.
That was a shark attack.
Dude, oh my god. I was almost heavily a part of that shark attack. Fuck. Dude. And if we get a new low day, bro. Fucking Drill City. Come on. I want to see it. Unless they do some manipulation shit.
He entered a zone such as a top level, a mid-point level, and a low level for the day. So I'm currently in
Yeah.
spot.
I am seeing a bit of divergence between ES and NQ. Not a bad spot to trim here, especially fuck. Where my entry was at 60 points. Great trim. It's trying to higher low here. NQ broke the lows that ES is trying to higher low at, so trying to notice that. We're getting a nice bounce so far, so great spot to trim if you were short. But I do think if ES can get under that low real quick, take it to that first target. Oh, I know. Not even gonna sweat it. All good. Hey, at the end of the day, look at the play played out. This is a great play, right? That's all. That's really all that matters. Obviously, we need to be executing on it, but I mean, I did everything I was supposed to. It's a matter of I just didn't get tapped in. It's gonna happen sometimes, and I'm not gonna try and chase the move because that would make my risk more. And I might be willing to do that if I didn't make any trades today. I might be willing to try and enter lower and you know put more risk on. I'm not willing to since I'm already green on the day. That would be a stupid decision. That's a retail mindset decision. I'm not gonna fucking do that. It's stupid. I'll just take my win, right? All good. But just beautiful to know that this is playing out. Look at you're about to get first target. Let's see if first target gets hit. Yeah. Yes, just needs to lose his low. But she's being a little bitch.
Little bit.
God.
950 SPF.
This is beautiful. Very nice. Bang, there's first PT. First PT would have been at 80 points there. It's beautiful. Fucking textbook. Now my next trim would be 109 points. That's the low. Not the low day, but the most recent, that low wick at 7:48 my time. That would be next trim, and then I mean stops would be a break even instantly right there as well. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that. Redonkulous. Redonkulous. I was gonna enter 3 cons. I would have trimmed 2 at that first PT there. Move stops to break even, targeting that 109 points. I could have definitely like entered a bit lower, but my risk would have been more, and I'm just not willing to do that where I'm already green today. So that's why I didn't do that. I already made some money. I didn't want to risk more than, I mean, I had perfect risk up there, 26 points. I was risking to make first trim 80. So I wasn't trying to skew that anymore, or else I would have tried to enter, but all good. We already made money today. That was just beautiful. Yeah, no, there was definitely another entry, Reflections. I'm with you. I just wasn't willing to do it because my risk would have been slightly more, and I wasn't willing to do it. 26 points was enough for me. It was perfect risk. Or else, again, like if I didn't already make money today, if I wasn't already up, I probably would have taken that chance. But yeah, that would have made a great clip too. Yeah, it's all good. I have no idea, CR. I will check when I'm all done. But I know I'm up like $300 on each account. Or like 350. What did I post? 350, 349, 345. So I think if I had to guess, the main one is like 2,400. I think. Don't quote me on that. I'll check in a little bit though. Their second PT. Boom. Bye-bye, market. Bye-bye. And the sell model fucking plays. Well, ladies and gentlemen, those were the moves for today. Let her drill. If you're blindly longing, I'm sorry. Hugs and kisses. But you may see some divergence because ES is not taking any lows yet of the day. So you might see something there. It's just as of now. I mean, this is Drill City. I wouldn't try and pick bottom here. That 4-hour candle just flipped red. We made the high of it earlier. Everybody, you know, market was bouncing back. Everybody thought, oh my God, we might go to high a day. That was the manipulation at the beginning of this 4-hour candle. And you see this massive distribution to the downside, just hitting all these sell targets. So be careful if you're long, but you might get an opportunity here soon if we see something special at these lows. Sheesh. Two ticks from getting tapped. That's a bitch. But hey, that's trading for you right there. You gotta be okay with that shit. Move on. Let's go, Reflections. Good stuff, brother. Are you serious, brother? Are you serious what? Oh, bro, no. You don't owe us anything, Reflections. Just appreciate you being here, bro. And I love to help. Shit. Oh. Yes, is trying to hold range lows. You would need to see NQ really reclaim that low with strength, though, fast, in my opinion. Unless you get a change of the state on the one, don't see a reason to not hold a little short. Should be a close above 367.25.
Ticker CCL. $30 call, February 21st, February 21st, MSU. This $30 call for CCL.
Real quick. Just want to highlight this real quick for you. $5:21 a.m. baby. 5:21 a.m. There you go. Bye-bye, market. Boom. 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 Can't make this shit up, man. Study, study, study. Back test, back test, back test. No more guessing, guys. Trading should not be guessing. Should not be guessing where the market's going. You don't need to guess. That's the thing. You don't need to. You can, but that's just a gambling game. Yes, sir. I'm going to see if maybe I can strike a deal with FX Replay. They just followed me on Twitter recently. And I was talking to Wolf, and I was like, hey, like, this is a dope-ass company. So I'm going to hit them up. I'm going to talk with them, see if they'd be interested in working with the team, especially because their followers aren't like, they don't have a crazy amount of followers on Twitter. So we could essentially, we would blow up their Twitter easily. In the matter of weeks, all of us influencers working together, it's so easy. Fucking blow up FX Replay. FX Replay, CR. We can get them to like 30,000, 20,000. Like that. So quick. That's what we do, man. That's like... Fuck, that's the only reason we made money on social media. Social media is just a big video game. Instead of playing video games, get good at social media. Treat that as a video game. Same thing with life. Fuck. I don't know. Maybe I've never used the free version. I pay for the pro, and I've only had the pro version reflection, so I don't know what the difference is between them all. I just knew I was going to need the best one, so I just got the best one. You do have an SMT at the lows, guys, so just be aware. You have a protected low. So if you are still short, definitely stops need to be at break even. I don't give a fuck. If you want to protect your capital, stops need to be at least at break even, no matter what. And definitely smart to be trimming. But that SMT low can get broken because we have a stronger SMT high. And where's the draw on liquidity? Well, we hit the draw on liquidity. But the next draw on liquidity would be here. These sell side levels. So I would definitely be looking for those, but at the same time, if we put in an SMT low, SMT high, that can create an unfavorable range where we're constantly going back and forth between fair value gaps where you can easily get stopped out constantly, and it's very annoying. So don't get caught in that. I would be careful. We do have a little bit of that divergence on the S. Making higher lows. While MNQ took those lows. Little bit of a change in the state on a lower time frame. I don't know, might get a bounce back to that 400. Just be careful if you're still short some, but I would probably have stops at break even, holding a runner if I still had one, looking for the next big levels. I need some long-term investments for real. I need a new car by December, and I'm planning on doing $1,000 a month till then. But I want more down payment. I don't know what to put in though. Wait, I'm a little confused. You were saying long-term investments and then talking about a car. I'm confused. Are you like needing to buy a car, but you still want to like put money away for long-term investments? Because that I understand. And that's just money management at the end of the day. It's just like, gotta be super nitty gritty with your money. And like, I don't know, you just gotta be very organized with it. I make this much a month. Okay, I need this percentage for food. I need this percentage for this. I need this percentage for this. I want to have this percentage to invest. So on. I have these bills, blah, blah, blah. Just gotta really manage it. Wall Street just closing positions for lunch? Probably. Coming into lunch, y'all. As well, 8 minutes, so just be aware. I'll run some mini games. I'll get that going. Get that link up top if anybody wants to play. Let's go. Finally. I did want to shout out MarginFi another time. I know yesterday I kind of was talking about it, but I was breaking up at the same time because my network was horrible. But long story short for the audience, me and some of the guys up here have been starting to work with this new brokerage, but like different type of brokerage. It's kind of interesting, and you can basically get entries and make plays based off of, you know, things happening in the world. For instance, if something with, you know, Trump and Bitcoin reserves or so on would be happening, you can make it so a trade was placed on Bitcoin. You know, if you wanted to long Bitcoin when that happened, without having to like actually be at the screens, because sometimes that stuff can be very, you know, you got to be on point with it with the timing. So I just think it's interesting. We're going to be talking about it more and just learning more about it. But we just wanted to get some more feedback from the traditional finance crew, as that's the majority of the audience. So I threw a form up top if anybody has the time and wants to kind of just give their thoughts. We have some questions up there in the forum. Just trying to get the perspective of traditional finance and how they feel about kind of this this style of brokerage. So just curious, if you have the time, feel free. We'd love to get your feedback there, and then I'll get a link for the actual brokerage itself as well up top below that link for everybody.
It's a very short time frame, but Apple 3-minute has confirmed an SFP to the upside. Swing failure pattern, which we do have an indicator to mark for you.
1 second, guys. I'll get to the chat. Give me a second.
Amazon crossing orb low down.
All right, so as well as that form being up top, I threw the link for just the normal website if anybody wants to check it out in the comments below. I also threw it up top in the spaces if you want to check it out. Feel free. But yeah, just want to throw it on your radar. I think we're doing a space either, I think, end of this week or next week. I forget exactly, but no worries. All good. Yep, getting into lunch, getting quiet, going a little sideways here. I'm not in anything. Not doing nothing, so. Missed that trade, but love to see the thesis played out perfectly. Hit the targets I would want to hit. If we get lower, I have targets for that as well. But solid day. Gotta love this volatility, man. I mean, every day every day we've gotten a clean move, pretty much. At least from my perspective of things, I've pretty much seen a nice, clear move every day. So I just love to see it. It's nice to have a market that's just having these clean moves all the time. Not that straight up, in our long-term portfolios hitting all-time highs aren't great. I absolutely love that, but you know, the trading environment is tough. You don't get these big, clean, volatile moves, so. Let's. What'd I miss? No frame drops today. Let's go. So far. Let's go, baby. Sure Tesla makes gum by now. Oh my gosh. Guys, hop in the game room. I'm going to run a round of Tumblefall if you want to join. I'll pin that in the top. Let me get it in spaces.
Yo, this 30-minute SPX shaping up to be a 20-point break.
Oh, damn. Nice pop. Shit, we were all like quiet and doing nothing there, and we just kind of got a nice pop. Solid.
The Apple.
That divergence is holding. Might get a change in the state on the 5 here. Yeah, so we have an SMT low now. You have an inverse. I'm sure we already ran through on the 1 minute. Yeah, but on the 5 minute, this bearish fair value gap is now turning into an inverse fair value gap, potentially. But you have no change in the state on the 5, so there's no entry for a long. Or yeah, you have no change in the state on the 5 for. Like if you're trading on the 5 for entries, You do, however, have a change in the state on the 1. It's not super high probability for the long, though, for me. I wouldn't be pressing the long here, personally. But it's there. And we did take big sell side levels that I was targeting for today, and that might be it. We don't have to go to these lows necessarily, even though that's the higher time frame draw. We don't necessarily have to go to those lows. That could have been the target for the market makers today, and we could be done. Fucking chop all day. But I'd anticipate more. We'll see. All right. Link for the mini games is up top. If anybody in the audience wants to play some Tumblefall, that's what I'm gonna run. Let's see who can get the high score. Lunchtime. We actually got a nice bounce there, though. Shit. 4-hour candle flip back green. I would definitely be careful in lunch here. We've gotten some. I mean, we did chop a little bit this morning, but gotten some decent moves today. So.
Apple coming up on some EMAs.
And that.
We are gonna reverse. It's gotta clear this, not be just a relief bounce.
I don't at all. I mean, you're getting a nice pop. I mean, looking at it on the 1 minute, it's a little different. But on the 5, like, you have no real change in structure. It's just a bounce. We did run through some gaps, but nothing crazy.
That's not too bad.
You need to close over 407.50 here for a change in the state. We're trying to reject that right now. We're stuck in this inverse right now, so we're back testing this inverse after running through it.
I think I do need a little choppy though, especially I used to track a study of how to tick open and then where the day went, and the neutral tick openings were the most likely to not go anywhere.
Yeah, I don't like the risk for longs at all, even if we're running through this inverse. Honestly, even if we get a change in the state. Why? Well, based on the weekly profile, I think it's a Thursday reversal. I could be wrong, but that's what I think. And I mean, along with that, what's the hourly looking like? Hourly still holding everything bearish. Like, we did hit first target, like we hit target, but order flow still holding bearish as of now. The only thing we have right now that we're kind of holding on the hourly is we are trying to hold this gap. You can see here, this hourly candle closed nasty through it. This one did not. This one actually held, so something to note there in this hourly gap, but yeah.
Q's now up against Bob. Through it. 517.
her record store yet, but I want to pick it up. So what's up?
All right. I think it's time to run some tumble fall. Three minutes are on the board. That link is up there. Just scroll right, like twice. Because I just threw some other tweets up there as well. All right. Let's go. What'd you get?
240.
Oh, let's go. $390. Give me that. Yeah. Who can beat me? Hop in there. There's a minute 40 left.
Man, if you're not just right. You're playing a different game than me, man.
No, I hit in the middle like a ton on that one, to be honest.
Oh wait, do you get more points based
Dude,
on where you land?
yeah, so if you land in the middle, you get plus 10. If you do it in a row, it's plus 10 every time. So like I got to a point where I was like I had 6 in a row, so it was plus 60 and then plus 70. Yeah. So, land in the middle. Oh, 320. Let's go reflections. Let's go, baby. No valid longs for me based on the chart yet. Nice bounce, though.
Yep, that's it for somebody.
I ain't convinced yet.
You did all morning. Missed my big dog. Big dog.
Run another round as soon as, and there's like a cooldown period, so when that cools down, we'll run another round of that. Lunch is pretty quiet here. Beautiful day of trading though. And hey, my Wi-Fi's working right now. I hope I don't jinx it, but it's been holding up all day.
Oh, you just jinxed it.
I might have. I might have, to be honest, but we'll see.
Rest in peace.
Rest in peace. It's all over now. Holy crazy! You've got to be fucking kidding me, dude.
The universe, man.
Dude, the timing on that shit! The timing on that shit! Fuck this, dude. The timing, bruh. Dude, clip that. Oh my god. No, you don't even need to clip it because I can clip it later. That's fucking hilarious. Bro, that's a clip right there. Fuck me. Wow. It's turning my Wi-Fi off, so. Am I a robot? Dude, I think I'm a robot. God. Dude, we were so close. We were so close, dude. I was just trying to throw on some fucking country, yo. You gotta be kidding me, bro. That's fucking crazy, bro. With me, if we roll down streets of fire. Damn. What happens when I switch the screen now? To me tighter. Got higher. Town to town, and never shut it down. I did a speed test earlier and my shit was flawless, bruh. Flawless. So if it's janky right now, I know. What the fuck? When we walk even closer until the trip was over. And would it be okay if I didn't know it? If I gave you my hand, would you take it and make me the happiest man in the world? Yeah, Spectrum's all we have in Ojai, bro. That's it. It's all I can get, or else I gotta go to fucking Starlink. Yeah, dude, I was streaming earlier. Earlier, when I was streaming with you guys, I did a test. I was at 40, bro. I'm less than half that now. It's fucked. With me. Do it again. There we go. It's a little better. Not really. Roll down us together. Would you not look down forever? You were lighter than a feather. That's dog shit. Set you free. Would you go with me? Gave you my hand, would you take it and make me the happiest man in the world? Damn! Maybe without you, girl. Would you accompany me to the edge of the sea and me high at the ends of a dream? I gotta know, would you go with me? so would you go with me? No, I don't use VPNs. I don't use a VPN. Posted clip in main chat. Oh my god. And hey, my Wi-Fi's working right now. I hope I don't.
Canada's counter-tariff plan will target U.S. aluminum and steel.
And hey, my Wi-Fi's working right now. I hope I don't jinx it. It's been holding up all day. I might.
Kind of wacky news scandal on United States Steel on that.
Rest in peace. It's all over now. Holy crazy. You've got to be fucking kidding me, dude. Dude, the timing on that shit. And the microphone is just, I'm just ear ripping everybody. I think it's turn the game down.
This, dude.
That's hilarious, bro.
The timing, bro. Dude, clip that. Oh my god. No, you don't even need to clip
Oh my god. I'm just pissed, dude. That's so funny. Oh my gosh, dude. Fucking A, dude. Oh, Lord. That's so funny, man. I honestly, I don't expect anything less. We got an extra hour today, though, than yesterday. Yesterday, it did it an hour earlier. Am I here?
Yes.
Oh, let's go. Oh, wow. I got a clip of that. That's hilarious. This is just too funny, man.
There you go. Yeah.
That was actually just crazy timing. I see the link back up top for mini games. I'm gonna run another round of the tumble fall if anybody wants to play. I don't think anybody beat what I did, the 390. So let's see it. I've been keeping it on easy mode too because I want to see some high scores.
It's not working for me.
No, it's still tough. It's still hard. You now just put in another potential SMT. It's not clean though. I wouldn't even mark it.
Spaghetti. Pushing up. So on Qubit. Qubit's getting a reversal.
Somebody in the audience asked where to get the price action concepts trading view indicator. They can just type it in and then get it through there, right? On trading view. Right, BK?
Got it. Go to luxalgo.com.
Gotcha.
If you've already gotten it on luxalgo.com, then yeah, you can add it.
Gotcha.
Great.
Heard that.
If you want any other platforms like the MetaTrader, Thinkorswim, Ninja Trader indicators, we don't have price action concepts for those, but we do have them, and you can get them from the library. So just luxalgo.com and then hit the library button.
Lunch is dead. It's a pretty dead lunch out there so far. So, yeah, I'm gonna run another round. I'm gonna start it up right about now. 3 minutes are on the board. Link is up top. My stream is frozen.
Did you try and get that clip?
Oh, I got it.
Really?
Somebody clipped it for me, yeah. My boy Pro. Oh, too funny, man. I'm gonna post that later. It's fucking hilarious. The timing just that was actually the most perfect timing could have had.
Oh, timing's everything.
It wasn't timing. You actually jinxed it.
Dude, I did. That's so unfortunate. God. Oh, I'm not getting a good score this time, boys. $220. That's garbaggio. I'm running it back.
It's not garbage for me. It's a good score.
Apple continuing very slowly that move up.
Suck, dude.
Oh, 350. Fuck. Fuck. So much fun. Get in there if you haven't. There's a minute left. Plenty of time to play if you want to. Lunch is boring. We are in accumulation once again. So just don't get caught in this ugliness. You don't have to trade. Oh, Travis 660? Oh, we got a new high score, baby. Woo! I'm actually gonna screenshot that and like track that. That's definitely the highest we've seen on Tumblefall. I'm tracking that as the highest. Travis is now the #1 holder. #1 spot holder.
Oh, I almost broke my high score.
Dude, 660 is nutty. I don't know how you do that. It's wild.
None of this matters.
What the? Yeah, the stream probably is lagging, dude. Fuck. God damn it. Let's run another speed test, I want to see. Download speeds are like not as good as they usually are either. Pretty ass. Oh, horrible. What the horrible, bro? Dude, this morning it was 40 while I was streaming. Literally, CR, I'm on stream talking to you guys and I ran a test. 40 was my upload speed while streaming everything. So lame, dude. So that probably means, I wonder if I dropped my bitrate, like, oh, it might drop too much though. Like, I wonder if I dropped bitrate to 2K. Does that make this stream look like dog shit? No. 2K doesn't make it look like dog shit. I haven't heard Jordy say a full sentence in like 20 minutes, 10 minutes. Fuck. With this low of bitrate, though, I'll probably buffer a lot. It's kind of too low. I don't know. Let's see. See what happens when I flip around. Yeah, it looks like Starlink's gonna be the move for me, guys, to be honest. I talked to a few people that actually have it in that stream, and it looks like it's the move. I'm gonna do this on my other computer because I don't mind everybody knowing that I live in Ojai, but I don't really want people to have like my exact address, so I'm gonna do it over here on this computer. It would run me $120 a month, which is not bad. And the hardware, which is a one-time purchase, is $249. So due today, I would spend $288.50, and then every month it would be $120 a month. And then I would need to buy whatever mount I would need to fucking mount it wherever I need it. I mean, is the stream running okay now? If I was your heart. Turn you around. Right now.
Pretty tight. So
Started thumbing through your phone.
calls. Wait, what? Oh, it's here. I don't know, 5 calls a day, 60 on my call, 20. Yeah.
I play every heartbreak song. You boxing on that one time. Yeah, I think so I think I kind of figured it out, CR. It looks like for whatever reason, because we're doing a speed test, right? For whatever reason, my Wi-Fi, it was working great this morning, right? I had a 40 upload speed. For whatever reason, it's kicking down now. So the only logical thing I can understand that's happening is I normally run a 4500 bit rate or like a 4000 bit rate, which is good if I have a 40 upload speed. But if the upload speed drops to like 15, what it did, I really should be running 2000 to 1500. And so I switched it to that, and look at, we're not really, I mean, I don't think we're having problems now. So I don't know. Looks like I have to drop the bit rate when the Wi-Fi gets shittier. I don't know. Let me know if we have some real problems.
Uber's still grinding up. Keeps this up.
Yeah, it's ass. It's dog shit. But that just means I need to run my bitrate lower. I just don't want it to create any buffering, because that's usually what it does. But I don't think it is. I'm moving the screen around and I'm not seeing any buffering. I wonder if you would see it on the camera view, though. Curious. Does it buffer on here at all, I wonder? Yeah, I didn't fix it. That didn't fix it. Is it windy? It better be fucking windy, because if it's not windy at all... Dude, there's no wind. It's 3 miles an hour. There's no excuse for my Wi-Fi, for my network, to not fucking be flawless right now. Zero. This better fucking rip, dude. Like... I don't understand. This should fucking rip. Can't even get to 900 on download. That's ridiculous. How? That's like... And then the upload's gonna be dog shit. How? What was that spike? Let's get that. Why can't we have that normally? Dude, what is this? Fucking pissed, dude. I'll never figure this out, I swear. Oh my god. Oh my god! I just want to fucking run a clean stream, man. God damn. Well, Starlink it is, I guess. I guess I'm gonna have to buy a Starlink. It looks like what is... It seems like that's necessary, to be completely honest. Wow. Crazy, man. This is crazy, man. Crazy, bro. Zach Top will make me feel better, though. Zach Top always makes me feel better. Hold on to. Or to church or right next to. That's the kind of woman I like. Like a bat out of hell. Excuse me. It's because I'm on it on this one, too. That's the kind of woman I like. After night, that's the kind of woman I like. Redneck on. A woman I like. Stream good now? Yeah, we'll see. Fuck, we'll see.
Oh shoot, I thought I was on mute. Oh, we just been chilling.
Oh, you're good. All good. I'm bumping country in my headphones, too. No, man, I ain't from around here. But your pretty smile kinda makes me wish I was. I ain't got nowhere I gotta get to. I nurse this coffee till you close up. I got no place to stay here. Mighty nice of you. You're thinking. I like to say I'd hang around, but there's always some new dirt for these old boots. Couple nights, you might go and change my mind. One thing I won't do is lie to you. It's just what cowboys like me do. Nothing on you. You sure make it feel like home around here. See Seattle.
But you're right, the rain is cold this time of year. I'd like to say I'd hang around, but I've never been one to settle down. There's always some new dirt for these old boots. Couple nights, you might go and change my mind. That's what cowboys like me do.
2v1. Where's your blue shed?
Here a couple nights, you might change my mind. Thing I won't do is lie to you. That's just what cowboys like me do. That's just what cowboys like me do.
Maybe get some cool graphics on Pokemans.
Nope. All done. I was sitting there, flatbed truck, crunching on the foreground when she pulled up, thinking this is where rednecks come from. She had Hollywood written on her license plate. She was lost and looking for the interstate, needing directions. I was the man for the job. Told her way up yonder past the caution line, there's a little country store with an old Coke sign. You gotta stop and ask Miss Bell for some of her sweet tea. Then a left will take you to the interstate, but a right will bring you right back here to me. I was sitting there thinking about her pretty face, kicking myself for not catching her name. I threw my hat and thought, you fool, you could have been love. I knew my old four couldn't run her down. She probably didn't like me anyhow, so I watched her disappear into a cloud of dust. I told her way up yonder past the caution light, there's a little country store with an old Coke sign. You gotta stop and ask Miss Bell for some of her sweet tea. Then a left will take you to the interstate. She went way up yonder past the caution line. Don't know why, but something felt right when she stopped. Then asked Miss Bell for some of her sweet tea. What's the code? What's the code? That's the code. Watch this. Watch this. What the fuck?
Somebody truck in a farmer's field, a no trespass sign, and time to kill.
Okay. Damn it. I don't know why it's happening with Earnings Hub. I'm trying to figure that out right now because I'm supposed to have Pro, and I can literally just get it for free right now.
Bernstein's, Tony,
Flame.
last night, one of their analysts said their original Tesla is retiring in 26 years. So they have a new analyst to publish under. Tesla short moves.
Completely fucked. Dude, I am... Gosh. I just don't understand why the Wi-Fi drops off. What? And then at some point today, it'll like be back to normal. And it'll be fine. It's so weird. I want to understand. Is that just so high? But it's never been like that. That's why it's weird. It's never done this. It's never done this. It's either like it's working or it's not working. Like it's not like half-assed working and then cutting out. Usually, I've never really had that. That's a little better. That's better. But like not phenomenal. I know it could be even better than that. Do it again. Is the chat not working right now? I only see me. I only see you as well. You might just be the only one chatting though. It's possible. See how it bounces back and forth so much it's not smooth? You know what I'm gonna do right now? I want to do a speed test on my MacBook right next to it, and this is connected to the Wi-Fi too. My MacBook's not even Ethernet, so I'm curious on what this brings up. I'm gonna run it and see. Well, for whatever reason, the download speed on my MacBook connected to Wi-Fi is 1100 right now. That's I mean, but download speed, it doesn't even matter for me. I don't care about that. Upload speed ticking in slightly less.
Did you see Elon's son, Bezos, today?
Upload speed is 19.
Congratulations on reaching orbit on the first attempt. That's not that bad, I guess.
No idea, man. Well, I'm gonna back off the stream anyway, guys. We hit our trades. I'm not gonna be trading anymore. This range is wild, and I'm not gonna play with it. Oh wait, I want to have this. I didn't want. Why did I delete this? I want that in there. All right. Well, it's been a beautiful day, y'all. stream is obviously still giving us some issues, but I don't know. I think what I might do, just since this keeps happening, what I might do is, so right now I run the stream at 1080p at 60 frames per second. I'm thinking I should try and just run it in 30 frames per second with a lower bit rate and see if that does me better. Until like my Wi-Fi starts working better. Which may downgrade the stream quality just slightly. I don't even think you'll notice that because it's just frames. It won't downgrade the actual quality of the stream. It's just less frames per second. So I might try that and then run a lower bit rate so things just are cleaner. Because that's the thing. In the morning, when my upload speed is great, the stream works phenomenal. 60 frames per second, I don't even have to worry. And then we hit this time in the morning where everything goes to shit. It's like my Wi-Fi gets downgraded. And lowering the bitrate has definitely helped here. So I don't know. We're going to try and figure out. I might just start streaming at 30 frames. Well, I usually stream in 60 frames. That's what I'm streaming in right now. Well, I want to run it in the highest quality I can. And it works fine as long as my upload speed is 35, 40. But as soon as it drops below 30, it's fucked. So I'm just going to honestly... Thought you were hardwired? I am. I am hardwired in. Like, Ethernet. Not hard... Like, if that's what you mean. I'm Ethernet in. Sorry for the internet issues. I'm going to try and... We're going to stream in 30 frames per second tomorrow and just see how that goes. So. All right, y'all. I love you. Enjoy the rest of the day. Trade safe if you're still trading. Follow your rules. Don't fuck around and be stupid. Be smart. Enjoy the rest of the day. And, yeah, let's kill it tomorrow. FAFO Friday tomorrow. I kind of think we continue to sell. Unless we get some really bullish action into the close today, I think we continue to sell off towards lower sell side levels. So get ready. Should be fun. We should get some more plays. Great plays today. I'm sad we missed that by 2 ticks today, but all good. That's trading. Just sucks. That was a beautiful play, but all good. Still solid to know that it worked out and played how we thought. So love everybody. Have a great day. We'll see you bright and early in the morning, and hopefully maybe I fix this stream stuff. We'll see. Either way. Love y'all. Peace out.